Hey guys, it's Hannah and I am here with my sister Lucia again. Hello. And today we are going to be exploring. This is another area near my house. We have to go up this really steep hill and apparently there's caves up there from what my dad said because he used to live here also when he was younger. So let's see if we can find it. We have to walk all the way up there.
Oh, yeah, we have to walk in the water.
We have to go through the water, I guess. It's definitely colder today. Jeez.
Yeah, we made it. Somewhere else, like there's a water path.
So much water and swampiness we have to walk through. Well, we kind of pretty much got through the muddy patch, but look at what we're about to walk up.
Bruh.
It looks pretty steep. Let's see if we can do this. Also gets like dark at 5. It's like 2. So hopefully this isn't a long journey.
Run.
Guys, I'm already out of breath. I don't know what this is supposed to mean. Natural gas pipeline. Well, we're not digging into this fence. We're just gonna go around it. What is this supposed to be? This isn't even barbed wire. I'm going through this.
Ow.
Is this electric?
I don't know, but look at what just got on my thumb. Pull out, please.
Oops.
Ow. Can we just like crawl underneath it?
Looks like we got some animal poopy. We have another stream. I don't know what we're gonna do because there's like a ton of tall plants where we need to go. I think we got lucky. There's a little path right here. Jesus. Okay. Yeah, these are deer tracks. Aww. Viewer discretion is advised. More poop. I would be surprised if we don't see a deer. We're almost there.
Please break these.
Sis got caught up. Look at how high we are now. I'm out of breath. Slightly having a panic attack.
Oh god, this is really sad. Hey, look how much this is at.
So, we're almost up there. We can't see over the horizon. I'm curious if there'll be maybe another trail, more woods, a road. But we made it this far, but this is so steep. Hold on. I'm currently having a panic attack. You guys have no idea what I'm seeing right now. But take a look. The whole entire city. I literally see the whole entire city. And this, oops, I'm so scared. This is where Lusa is. She's like up there. She's more brave than me. I'm so scared. I'm really panicking. I'm gonna fall. Okay. Okay. So clearly I am not fit. I am dying. I'm coughing, having a panic attack.
I'm not. I'm losing.
We made it up here, but there's nothing but houses behind us.
This used to be a cave.
My water is too cold to drink. We will find where these caves are next time. But we need to get back down because there's nothing up here. I am also lightheaded as fuck. I'm gonna show you what behind me looks like if you kept going straight. As you can see, there's just a house. Another pipeline, gas line, whatever.
Anna, I see something.
She sees something. So I guess we're going a little further. So this is what she found. It's pretty. This girl keeps running away from me. Taking one final look around the perimeter, and I am not cold anymore at all. I'm actually dying. What is this? What is this? What, there's like a drop off? Oh, it's another stream. We are heading back down now. Finally, pretty much done with that steep ass part. Are back at the gate. At the gate. At the gate. So, you know how they're saying there's like those gas lines or whatever? Mm-hmm. What's that? The reflection right there is gas. Okay.
Or gas. Wait, what do you mean?
Like those pipes are for gas. Like they're warning not to dig here because there's gas underneath. And that little reflection was gas in the mud.
So what does that mean?
That there's gas.
So we can die?
Sis. Okay, on our way back, I just see this sign. No trespassing. Oops. Maybe they should put their sign up. I did not see this on our way back, but there's another trail over there. But I think we should just go down this way, though.
Sure.
Yeah.
Why not?
All the way down. We were literally just at the top of this.
Look at where we were.
Like, that is steep.